Hello, and what's going on? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to clean and or replace a bad battery terminal. Now this battery terminal, it's really full of corrosive and buildup, and it's causing a faulty connection. Therefore the engine would not crank. Now as soon as I just scraped it with my nail a little bit and connected the terminal back in, it worked right away. Now I got a solution for this. Now I am going to be replacing the terminal in this case because I don't want this terminal anymore. This is the factory terminal, and I think it's a better idea to just get a new one and save me some future troubles. Now this connection has some type of residue. I'm not sure what it is, but it's not really how it should be. Now after a little bit of cleaning, this is what it should look like. It should have a lot of grooves and a lot of scratches, and that's what you're aiming for. And that's how the battery terminal should look like, nice and polished, ready for a nice and clean connection. Now if you are replacing your battery terminal connector, I do recommend that you go for a terminal that is resistant to corrosion. Now this helps a lot with depending on the weather that you have on in your state, country, but it's very recommended. It works really good and it never lets you down, and it always has a clean connection.